buhay, maayong udto sa tanan akong followers, viewers, and supporters. Guys, this is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. Maniud to usa ko, kauban ako akong mga staff, dinhi sa Chips Lane Buffet Limitless Restaurant. This is Eat All You Can. This is located sa Tourist Street, Davao City. Harap lang siya ng Landers. Hi everyone! Kakain kami. How much the per head?
299, sir.
Anong food niyo?
Seafoods, 540 tayo, sir.
Sa Limitless Restaurant kami, guys. Mag-lunch muna ako with my staff. Wow, my favorite. Pork humba. Wow, this is seafoods. Fish fillet.
Wala pa na, sir.
Walang naman. Rice, baka rice to.
Rice, sir.
Ito may mga ano sila. Ay, tapos na ito. Dahil may ano sila, desserts. So sa lahat ng followers ko, come and visit Limitless Restaurant. Tama ba? Limitless Restaurant? Is this the right term? So,
Limitless events catering, sir.
for only 299 pesos per head. So, lahat ng followers ko, please come and join and visit here. God bless everyone.